Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the best tax software for 2025. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or just someone looking to file their taxes with ease, we've got you covered. Picking the right tax software can transform this dreaded experience into something manageable. We're going to break down the top players in the game for 2025. We'll look at features, pricing, user-friendliness, customer support, the whole shebang. So, grab a coffee, maybe a notepad, because by the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer picture of which tax software is going to be your champion for the 2025 tax season. Let's get into it and find the software that's going to make your tax life a whole lot easier this year. Trust me, your future self will thank you for this. TurboTax remains the giant in tax software, offering a premium, user-friendly solution for complex tax situations. Its guided interface simplifies the process, filling in forms as you answer questions. TurboTax excels at finding deductions and credits and offers seamless W-2 imports. The self-employed version provides specialized guidance for freelancers. While it's one of the pricier options, its robust features and ease of use can justify the cost. For those with simpler returns, consider if a less expensive option might suffice. Overall, TurboTax is reliable and thorough, making tax filing as painless as possible. Next on our list is H&R Block, another household name in the tax world. For decades, they've been known for their brick-and-mortar tax preparation offices, but their online software has become a strong competitor to TurboTax. One of H&R Block's biggest selling points is its blend of user-friendly online tools and the option for in-person support. This dual approach gives them a unique edge. Their software interface is clean, intuitive, and designed to guide you through the tax filing process step by step. They use clear language, provide explanations for complex tax terms, and make it easy to navigate through different sections of your return. H&R Block offers several software versions, typically ranging from a free option for simple returns to more premium versions for homeowners, investors, and the self-employed. Their pricing is generally a bit more competitive than TurboTax. Now, let's really dig into their customer support. Beyond the standard online help articles and chat support, they offer options like Online Assist, where you can get unlimited on-demand help from a tax expert. And of course, there's the big differentiator, their network of physical offices. If things get too complicated, you can often transition your online return to an in-office appointment. This access to in-person help is a significant advantage. Accuracy is another area H&R Block emphasizes. They offer an accuracy guarantee and various levels of audit support. For specific situations, H&R Block has tools tailored to different needs. The mobile app experience with H&R Block is also quite solid. Comparing their support levels, H&R Block often provides more accessible human help at lower price points than some competitors. So, who is H&R Block best for in 2025? It's an excellent choice for filers who want a user-friendly experience, robust features, and strong customer support options. If the idea of having a physical office to turn to if things go sideways appeals to you, then H&R Block is definitely worth a serious look. Alright, let's shift gears and talk about TaxAct. If you're someone who cringes at the thought of shelling out big bucks for tax software, TaxAct has likely been on your radar. They've carved out a niche for themselves as one of the more budget-friendly options that still packs a decent punch in terms of features. TaxAct's pricing structure is typically very transparent and generally more affordable across the board compared to TurboTax and H&R Block. They usually offer a free version for very simple federal returns. Then they have tiered paid versions, Deluxe, Premier, and Self-Employed, that cater to more complex situations. One of the things I appreciate about TaxAct is their price lock guarantee. This means that the price you start with when you select a product is the price you'll pay when you file. TaxAct covers a wide range of tax forms and situations. Their Premier version handles investments, rental property, and foreign bank accounts. Their Self-Employed version is designed for freelancers, contractors, and small business owners. While the interface might not be as slick as TurboTax, It's generally straightforward and gets the job done. Customer support with TaxAct is available, but the level of support can vary depending on the package you choose. Basic email and phone support are generally available. For more advanced support, you might need to purchase their Pro Tips add-on or a higher tier package. Accuracy is paramount, and TaxAct stands behind its software with an accuracy guarantee. So, who is the ideal TaxAct user? It's perfect for individuals and families who are looking for a reliable, comprehensive tax software solution without breaking the bank. In conclusion, TaxAct definitely delivers on its promise of being a more affordable tax preparation option. It provides a solid set of features that can handle a wide variety of tax situations. While it might not have all the polished bells and whistles of its more expensive competitors, it offers excellent value for money. For many, TaxAct is the smart, budget-friendly choice. Alright, let's move on to TaxSlayer. TaxSlayer has built a reputation for being a straightforward, no-nonsense platform, often appealing to those who prioritize accuracy, reliability, and a good price. They also have a history of being particularly friendly to members of the military, often offering free federal filing for active duty personnel. When it comes to accuracy, this is non-negotiable for tax software. TaxSlayer, like other reputable providers, offers an accuracy guarantee. Their interface is designed to be quite direct. It guides you through the necessary sections based on the information you provide. They provide explanations for various fields and forms, and there are usually built-in checks to flag inconsistencies or missing information. Reliability in tax software also means keeping up with the ever-changing tax code. TaxSlayer invests in ensuring their software reflects the latest legislative changes, new tax breaks, and updated forms. The user interface of TaxSlayer is often described as more traditional or classic. It's generally easy to navigate, and you can usually see a running tally of your refund or amount owed. TaxSlayer offers several different versions of their software, catering to various needs. Customer support options with TaxSlayer are available, though the level of support can depend on the package you choose. When you look at reviews and user feedback, TaxSlayer generally scores well on accuracy and ease of use. Many users appreciate its straightforward approach and find that it correctly handles their tax situation without unnecessary complications. So, who should feel confident in trusting their taxes to TaxSlayer in 2025? It's an excellent option for filers with straightforward to moderately complex returns who prioritize accuracy and a no-frills, efficient experience at a competitive price. Their special offers for military personnel also make them a standout choice for that community. In essence, TaxSlayer aims to live up to its name by helping you conquer your taxes with accurate calculations and reliable software. While it might not have the most cutting-edge design, its focus on core functionality, accuracy, and affordability makes it a strong contender in the tax software market. Let's talk about FreeTaxUSA. FreeTaxUSA offers free federal tax filing for everyone. It supports a wide range of forms at no cost. They charge for state returns and offer a deluxe edition. Deluxe includes priority support and audit assistance. The interface is clean and straightforward, perfect for cost-conscious filers. FreeTaxUSA is a fantastic value for 2025. If you want to save on tax prep, check out FreeTaxUSA. Alright, so that's a deep dive into some of the top tax software options for 2025. TurboTax H and R Block TaxAct TaxSlayer FreeTaxUSA. As you can see, each one has its own strengths, its own target audience, and its own pricing strategy. There really isn't a single best tax software for everyone, because the right choice truly depends on your individual tax situation, your comfort level with technology, how much support you think you'll need, and of course, your budget. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Let us know in the comments which tax software you're planning to use this year, or if you have any experiences, good or bad, with any of these platforms that you'd like to share. Your insights can help other viewers make their decision too. Remember, doing a little research now can save you a lot of headache and potentially a good chunk of money. Come tax time. See you in the next video.